My dear class 10 students, this is the continuation discussion of height and distance. This is already explained about angle of elevation, and angle of depression. If you do not know, then you see the first video that I discussed about heights and distance. And this is the table required to solve the sums. These are the formula required, is already explained. You can take screenshot of this page. These are the sums I want to solve. Sum number 1. In the figure given below, it is given that AB is perpendicular to BD. So AB is perpendicular, that is why here 90 degree. And is of length x meter. This is x meter. DC 30 meter. This distance 30 meter. ADB 30 degree. And ACB, that is this angle, 45 degree. Find x. So let us see how to do this sum. See, the diagram is drawn. If you take triangle ABC, then tan 45. Perpendicular is x by base is y. So perpendicular by base, that is x by y. Tan 45 degree value you put. So y equal to x, that is x equal to y. This is equation number 1. Now if you ask why I will take tan 45, the answer is that you see this is x and this is y I consider. So base and perpendicular, the ratio is tan or cot. You can take cot 45, you can take tan 45 also. I have taken tan 45. One relation I got in between x and y. Now in triangle ABD 30 degree angle. So tan 30, that is perpendicular x and base is 30 plus y, that I have written. Perpendicular by base. Tan 30 value you put, cross multiplication root 3 into x equal to 30 plus x. Bring x this side and take x common. Root 3 minus 1 this side, multiplication after going that side, it will be divide. You have to divide this. Now I have done surds free, removing surds, that is root 3 plus 1 I have to multiply numerator and denominator. So here it is coming 30 into root 3 plus 1 and denominator will be a square minus b square, that is 3 minus 1, that is 2. See here 2. You cut 15 and value of root 3 1.732. So it is 2.732. Into 15 will give you the value of x and that is the answer. Next you see sum number 3. Find the height of a building when it is found that on walking towards 40 meter in a horizontal line through its base, the angle of elevation of its top changes from 30 to 45. See here 30 to 45. If someone is walking from D to C 40 meter, then the angle initially it was 30 degree and finally it is 45 degree. This is the height of the tower. The height I consider x meter and BC length you consider, this is AB 8 meter and BC you consider x meter. Now triangle ABC, this is right angle triangle, then tan 45 degree equal to perpendicular by base, that is a is by x. Tan 45 value is 1, cross multiply you do, so a is equal to x. Now in triangle ABD, this triangle 30 degree, tan 30 value perpendicular by base, perpendicular is a is and base is x plus 40. Tan 30 value 1 by root 3. Now in place of x you put a is, because x equal to a is, so you put in place of x a is. Now cross multiplication, root 3 into a is equal to 40 plus a is. Now a is you bring this side, then a is take common, then a is into root 3 minus 1 equal to 40, then a is equal to 40 by root 3 minus 1. You multiply both numerator and denominator by root 3 plus 1. value of root 3 you put here 1.732, then it will be 2.732, and denominator a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square, that is 3 minus 1, that is 2 and 40 cancel, it will be 20 into this, that will be value of h, and we need to find this h only. Next, see sum number 5. Two pillars of equal height stand on either side of a roadway which is 150 meter wide. That means the road is 150 meter wide. At a point in the roadway between the pillars and the elevations of the top of the pillar are 60 degree and 30 degree. Find the height of the pillars and the position of the point. See, this is the path, roadway 150 meter wide. Now one point, if you look to the top of the pillar, this pillar whose height is h I consider, this one h I consider, and this distance let's say x. So from here to here it will be 150 minus x. This is 30 degree and this is 60 degree, because in the question it is told one pillar is 60 degree angle of elevation and another pillar is of 30 degree angle of elevation. So if you take ABC triangle ABC, then tan 60 equal to perpendicular h and base x. Now if you do x equal to root 3 will go down, x is coming here, root 3 will go down, so h by x, this is the value of x. Next you triangle this triangle EDC, tan 30 equal to perpendicular, that is h, and base is this 150 minus x. Now tan 30 value 1 by root 3, and you put the value of x is h by root 3, put here. Then do LCM, root 3 will go up, root 3 is equal to 150 root 3 minus h. Now do cross multiplication. If you do cross multiplication, then you can find the value of h equal to this. So this is the height value. If you put this value here, then you will get x, because h value is this, put here, and by root 3 cancel, you do the calculation, 37.5 is the value of x. So the point is 37.5 meter from one pillar. See, from one pillar, this is the position. And that's all for this video.